This adorable property is located at 355 West Clark Avenue, space number 53 in Orcutt. It's located in the Orcutt Ranch community, which is a 55 and plus community, and this property has a ton of upgrades. It's adorable inside. It has granite countertops, upgraded cabinets, tons of natural light, recessed lighting. It has over $20,000 in upgrades on the interior, and the exterior has about $5,000 in upgraded landscaping. It's an open concept design, and the floor plan is very well laid out. As you leave the living room area down the hall, you have 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and space for a full-size laundry, both washer and dryer. The total square footage of the property is 804 square feet, and it was built in 2016. As you enter the bathroom, you can see it has the upgrades that are carried throughout the house, the upgraded cabinets, the granite countertops, and the shower is a shower tub combo. The master bedroom has a full-size closet and has space for a California king and 2 side tables. Once again, it has lots of natural light and plenty of space. As you go out the back door, you have a covered carport area that will fit 2 cars. You have lush landscaping and a private patio. This property is being offered at $127,500, and it has a monthly space rent of $654.